Today I am sewing boxer pyjama pants in this striped poplin fabric. I'm getting the pattern in my classifier. I don't know what method you use, but this way of storing my patterns worked for me. And then I cut my fabric. I used to really dislike this cutting step because I was impatient and stressed to get to the result of the project, to be able to publish my patterns and sell them as quickly as possible. I've grown quite sensitive to stress in the recent years. I think I always was, but it was muted and pushed back by having a childhood where I never lived in the same place for more than 5 years. But now that I'm a grown up and I've had romantic relationships that have required me to open myself to my own sensitivity and basically my own feelings, well, I believe that I'm becoming more myself, which is good. But I also have to acknowledge that I've become a stressed person. And money is my number one stressor in life. Right now, I struggle financially, even with the figure of my small business being the best ones ever. And that's because over the past 6 months, I've started to rent a studio. I have an employee. My boyfriend quit his job to start his own business, so I'm paying a lot of the bills. So objectively, the financial burden is heavy on my shoulders. But the thing is, I've had moments where I had several dozens of thousands of euros in my bank account. And you know what? I was very stressed about money. So it's not related to how much I earn or how much I have saved in my bank. I just have an issue with money. Anyways, and this is the final project. Kiss, kiss.